What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater, and we are standing here in Maidstone, UK. I got Johan here. We're in their demo room where they're displaying a 7.2.4 Dolby Atmos system.
7.1.4 at the moment. We can do 9.2.4. It's this is a room which is a combination of a cinema room, as you see, obviously, but it's also an engineer's working room where we test out prototypes for the cinema. We've also got another room which we'll see later. This is also used for our UK sales team who are lucky, so our dealers are welcome to come here with their clients and use it. The room, as you see, is not that big. We're limited by very low ceiling here, so it was a bit of a challenge to do, but hey, we got our engineers on hand. The only caveat here is a pretty small screen, but that doesn't matter to us. We're all about sound after all. Right.
We're from Texas, so I had to give them a little crap when we first watched it. You guys know how we do it.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Yeah, this is a really good sounding system. We just walked into the room, guys, and I was like, wow, this sounds fantastic, but I wanted to stop and get our intro film. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the audio experience as well as the video experience that you can get from a KEF full home theater system, and this is all in wall, which is what we specialize in as custom installers. So I'm really excited to show you guys the Atmos experience, and hopefully you guys enjoy it as well. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Alrighty, so we're going to do a quick demo for you guys so that you can sit at home and kind of get the experience of the THX KEF speakers.
Yes, of course, you've really got to be in the room. Welcome to, this is one of our demo rooms. It is it's dual function. It's a demo room, but also an engineer's working room, mainly to show off our stuff, our architectural speakers in wall, in ceilings, in various configurations. We can do up to 11.2.4. Right now we've got them wired in 7.1.4. We're using just the one R400B subwoofer. You'll notice that the ceiling is very low. It is what it is here. So it restricts us in terms of screen size, but we don't really care about that because we're all about sound. The idea is to show off KEF at its best with UniQ technology. We want it to be natural, not overdone in any of the frequencies. So good for music or movies, and very consistent throughout the room, which is a great advantage of using UniQs throughout. We're using 3160s all around, panning around the 7 channels. We're using 4 Dolby Atmos RCI 200 RRs, so our best in ceiling speakers for, in this case, the Atmos channels. The interesting thing about the RRs, if you want, they are the only Dolby approved loudspeaker. You can actually use them in the ceiling for left, center, right, which sounds mad, but the dispersion from UniQ is so good you can do that, the off-axis dispersion.
For our customers in Texas, you may think, wow, look at my house. It's actually pre-wired for that.
Right.
Crazy, but you could use these speakers for that.
Yeah, I mean, you won't be able to hear anything on YouTube.
Let's show them how to fly. We're gonna play chicken. You ready? This ain't the farm and these ain't no crop dusters. I'm not playing chicken with you. Now, don't be a baby. I'll tell you what. I'm doing it, Ray. Well, I'm coming right at you. You can turn or you can hit me. It's up to you.
Before you go, I was just saying to guys here that the intention, and it really is, when we have a crowd in here, is to go, it doesn't matter if you're in one corner of the room, you can still hear the whole soundstage. and that's the big advantage.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it is impressive.
Yeah,
Even
you
just
guys-
standing right here, I just heard it rip right through the room.
Yeah, the only danger here is, you know, when we're on our break, it's the temptation to watch a whole movie and not get any work done. Anyway, let's move on to the engineers.
Yeah.
Alrighty, guys. Well, that's a wrap for the demo room. We hope that you enjoyed this video. If you liked
One
it,
of the demo rooms.
One
There's
of-
another.
one of the demo rooms, the theater demo rooms. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below. There's going to be a whole playlist of everything that we're going to be doing here today at KEF, as well as our trip through Europe. Thank you for watching.